Top tech and smart home deals in Amazon's Big Spring Sale. Number 6. Home networking. Amazon's Eero Pro 6E Mesh Wi-Fi, now $399.99, covers 6,000 square feet, supports 2.5 gigabits per second, and connects 100-plus devices. Perfect for smart homes, gaming, and streaming. Number 5. Amazon devices. Save up to 50% on Amazon devices like Fire TV Stick 4K, Echo Dot, Echo Show 5, and Ring doorbells. Number 4. Smart home and security systems. The Blink Outdoor 4 security camera offers wire-free setup, 2-year battery, HD live view, and Alexa integration. Number 3. Home entertainment and personal tech. Bose headphones boast noise cancellation and 24-hour battery. DJI Osmo Action 4 records 4K and is waterproof. Samsung 85-inch QLED TV offers art mode and quantum HDR. Number 2. Robot vacuums and smart cleaning. The Yeti S14 Plus and Roborock Q7 Max offer advanced cleaning features, including powerful suction, mopping capabilities, and smart navigation. Number 1. Smart air purifiers. Smart air purifiers, including Coway, Levoit, and Honeywell models, are on sale. They feature advanced filtration, air quality monitoring, and energy-saving modes.
Go to GearBrain for more information.